Hello guys, how are you? I hope you are fine. Today my topic is regarding this pandemic virus known as coronavirus. This virus originated in 2019 from a particular place, Wuhan in China, and from that year onwards it is on high peak till now. 220 year is recorded as a COVID year in history, as in that year 92 million cases and 2 million deaths were recorded in the whole world. COVID-19 is pandemic as no single country left on this planet which hasn't seen the impact of this deadly virus. So today I will update your knowledge regarding this virus through this video. For that reason, watch the complete video. This is Hussain. Welcome to our Hussain Karam Creation channel. So first question that always come in our mind, that is, what is coronavirus? Coronaviruses are large family of viruses named for the halo of spiked proteins on their surface resembling a crown under the microscope. So corona means crown, like there is crown on the top of the virus. Some of them, 4 to 5 different kinds, cause common disease among humans, like common cold, mild to moderate respiratory illness. Other kinds of coronaviruses infect animals, and sometimes on rare occasion we see coronaviruses jump from animal species into the human population. Now the second question is, why is this only virus getting so much attention? WHO has named the disease causing virus as COVID-19. The 2019 novel coronavirus is getting a lot of attention now because it is a new kind of coronavirus we haven't seen among humans before. It means that previously no one in the world has been infected with it, and therefore no one has antibodies to it. Everyone is now at risk for catching the virus, becoming ill and spreading the virus. The theory is that it may have jumped from animal species into the human population and then begin spreading. We have seen some people that have died of the disease, and we know that there are already thousands of cases. So people are concerned because we don't yet know exactly how severe the disease will be and how far it will spread. Now the third question that comes in our mind is there only single coronavirus or these are of many types? Means, how many types of coronavirus known to infect humans? The new coronavirus is called SARS-CoV-2, stands for Severe Acute Respiratory Syndrome Coronavirus 2. With the discovery of SARS-CoV-2, there are now 7 types of coronaviruses known to infect humans. First is 229E alpha coronavirus. Second is NL63 alpha coronavirus. Third is OC43 beta coronavirus. Fourth is HKU1 beta coronavirus. Fifth is MERS-CoV beta coronavirus MERS. Sixth is SARS-CoV beta coronavirus SARS. And seventh is the latest one, SARS-CoV-2 novel coronavirus, also called COVID-19. First 4 viruses regularly circulating humans and mostly cause mild to moderate upper respiratory tract symptoms that most people think of as a common cold. SARS-CoV-2, which is called novel coronavirus, is known as COVID-19. It can cause severe respiratory illness. This COVID-19 can be deadly, particularly for older people and those with underlying health conditions. Now the fourth question, which is the most important question, is how does the virus spread? What are its symptoms and how we can control it? A virus can spread through droplets in air after coughing or sneezing, which people nearby can take in through their nose, mouth, and eyes. The virus can also spread by touching a contaminated surface, but it's unclear how long the virus lives on surfaces. Once it enters in your body, the virus travels quickly to the back of your nasal passages and to the mucous membranes in the back of the throat. After that, the virus attaches to the receptor called ACE2 receptor, angiotensin converting enzyme 2 receptor, which is present on respiratory cells in your body. And after this action, the virus's genetic material enters your cells. The virus then hijacks your cells to produce copies of itself, which go on to infect more cells. The time between the initial infection and first symptoms appearing varies widely, but it's 5 days on average. Symptoms often start in the back of the throat with a dry cough and sore throat along with fever. Symptoms become more severe as the infection starts making its way to your lower respiratory tract. Here, it can cause more respiratory problems like bronchitis and pneumonia. When the virus reaches your lungs, it causes inflammation in the air sac in your lungs, so-called alveoli. Your alveoli are where oxygen and carbon dioxide are exchanged. In pneumonia, there is swelling, decreased airflow, and your alveoli start to fill with fluid, causing shortness of breath and difficult breathing. Some people need a ventilator to help them breathe. Less oxygen in your blood deprives other major organs of oxygen, including your liver, kidney, and brain. One more condition occurs because of this virus is acute respiratory distress, which is caused by widespread swelling in the lungs, stops your body from getting the oxygen it needs to survive. This respiratory distress can lead to organ failure and death. Well, COVID-19 can be deadly. The mass majority, around 80% of cases, are mild to moderate and people recover within a week or two. Currently, corona cases surge day by day and daily graph is approaching to 1 lakh. There is need to restrict our unnecessary movements, and if we are must to go out of our residence, then it is absolutely necessary to follow the guidelines strictly. That is, wearing mask properly, keeping social distancing, using hand sanitizer after touching any substance or surface. Try not to drink or eat anything from outside if possible during short duration. And while come back, first go to washroom to wash your hands properly and then remove your guard and keep it separately. I hope you learned something from this video. In that way you can protect yourself from this deadly virus. Stay home, stay protected. Thank you so much.